So guys, welcome back sa ating channel. Medyo matagal-tagal na tayong walang review. So this time, we're going to take a look at the Limtoys Lim Mini 2024 Phantom Legend Ahab or Venom Snake sa game na Metal Gear Solid 5 Phantom Pain. Ito yung 2024 re-release or reissue. May mga changes silang ginawa rito. I'll put it in the video so that you can see kung ano yung mga main difference nitong figure na to sa old one which was released 2020. So anyway, ito yung new box. So slip cover siya, paangat. So 360 muna natin siya. So meron siyang plastic cover. So bago pa to eh. So ayan. Ayan siya. So ito yung box ng 2024 release na Ahab or Venom Snake. Hello. So ayan, aangat mo siya. Slip type cover siya. Ayan, ayan yung box niya. Ayan yung main box niya. So itong slip cover, meron siyang parang x-ray. If nalaro mo na yung game, malalaman mo kung bakit ganyan siya. So ayan. Mas maliit yung box niya. Smaller siya. Ayan, 360 ulit. Then let's open it up para malaman natin yung mga major differences niya aside from doon sa picture na pinakita ko. Major differences niya, unang-una yung box. So be aware sa mga bibili ng mga Snake this year. Baka makuha nyo yung old version. The reissue one is better. So ayan, ang major differences niya, meron siyang stand like Leon and The Last of Us, Joel and Ellie. So yan, nakalagay Venom Snake. Yan. Tapos itong bago sa kanyang right hand, yung regular trigger finger hand. The rest of the accessories are same sa S++ version. So you still have the box, what do you call this? Still have the scarf. It's wired. Hindi ko na i-open to because I'll keep this as is. So ayun, dyan din yung sticker ng soldier and the box. Ayan. Tapos ito yung main figure. So again, mas maliit yung box niya. Mas compact siya and he comes with the stand and the extra hand. So second major difference siya sa older version. So mas prefer ko to dahil yung hands nito before was yung parang angled. And it's in a weird angle. So ngayon mas okay siya dahil meron siyang, this one is fixed I think. So ayan. Nagkaroon ako ng unang version nito and I was very disappointed with the release. So I sold it off agad-agad, wala pang 1 week. So my hopes are very high with this release dahil I had the Joel and Ellie and the 2.0 Leon, the remake Leon. Nagkaroon din sila ng remake na Leon as well. So first impressions ko sa quality ng body niya is way better than the old one. So iharap natin siya. Ayan, mas detailed yung face niya. Meron siyang mga pinkish overlay, so parang mas realistic siya. The major difference again of this figure and the old one is this has the horn already in place. Yung luma meron siyang 3 sets of horns, yung short, yung medium, tsaka yung long. This one is fixed na rito, so wala siyang replacement. Yun. So let's remove the plastic. So first thing din na napansin ko rito is the head seems long. For me, it seems long. Pero i-adjust ko siya after this review. So ayan, nakikita mo. Meron din siyang neck peg. So para siyang si Leon. So double jointed siya. Ito yung head niya. Main head yan, ganyan. So let's put it back again. So second thing na gagawin natin is we'll see and check the hands if it has the weird angles like the original one did. So ito, move natin siya. I hope you can see it. And yes, it comes with the regular or what we call traditional ball pegged hands. So yan, hindi na siya yung weird na parang may cut na ganun. So I'm assuming this right hand also has, yes, it does have the non-angled ball joint. So another major difference yan, syempre. And I'm not sure if the body is changed. I think the body is actually changed. Let's see if we can split. not that much pa rin. Pero it's not Spider-Man naman, this is Venom Snake. So ayun, short review lang of what you can expect or what you will expect with the Lim Toys 2024 Ahab version. If you have the original one, I think you may need to upgrade with this one kasi the changes on this figure makes it feel more premium and updated with the rest of the Lim Toys minifigures. So as you can see, yung aesthetics ng body niya is slimmer and kind of taller. So ito si 3-0 Iron Man for comparison. This is the only figure I have here in my office. So mamaya check din natin other figures if may time. And yun nga, this figure also has the articulated foot installed. So ayan. Guys, thank you for watching. And I hope to see you again if meron tayong bagong review. This is just a short update sa figure na to. Medyo matagal ko na rin itong inaabangan. So again guys, thanks for watching and I hope I see you soon. Bye!